Yajurveda. It is a collection of yajus, the mantras in prose which are specially useful to the Advaryu priest during sacrifices. The Yajurveda Samhita is in two major forms, the Krishna and the Shukla, meaning the black and the white. Though the Krishna Yajurveda Samhita is said to have had 85 shakas or recensions, only 4 are available now. 1. Taittiriya, 2. Maitrayaniya, 3. Kada, 4. Kabisthala. Associated with the Taittiriya Samhita are the Taittiriya Brahmana, Taittiriya Aranyaka and the Taittiriya Upanishad. The well-known Kathopanishad also belongs to the Krishna Yajurveda but to the Katha recension. The Shukla Yajurveda Samhita, also known as the Vachasaneyi Samhita, is said to have been collected and edited by the famous sage Yajnavalkya. Ishavasyopanishad and Brahmadharanyakopanishad are the Upanishads of this Veda.